Alright, so today we got something exciting happening. Let's get into it. We've moved into a bigger unit, about 3 times the size. So let me quickly show you. So here are the cars. As you can see, got loads more room next to each other. We've also got space for one more car, which you guys will see shortly. Jack's already brought a lot of his stuff over. I'm currently in the process of moving all my stuff over and the rest of it, and new banners. I've just got back from Ireland from LZ World Tour, so I'm knackered, but I've got the day off work, so I can do all this, loading up the truck with all the stuff. So yeah, just going to be doing that today and trying to get all the stuff over so we can get set up in this unit and give you guys a debrief on what we kind of have planned for this. See you next. I thought I'd give you a quick update because I didn't film one yesterday. So yesterday, me and Jack managed to move the rack spacing with the help of his girlfriend. I put the banners up, as you can see. So we got all our banners, well, most of our banners up. We still got to put Jack's ones up, but we got all of my ones up. And if you can see on the Vertex one, got some signatures on there. It's actually Night Ride. I met them when I went over to LZ Fest, so that was really cool. So yeah, today we're hopefully getting a sofa in here. Meant to be going to pick it up, but it is, as you can see, not great weather. But I've got the truck over, so hopefully we can fit in the back of that and bring it over. But yeah, I haven't really done much of an update. I've just kind of been filming, getting everything sorted, just because I'm trying to do it as quick as we can. Because we moved in just over a week ago, but last week I didn't have much time to actually come down and sort stuff. So Jack was sorting all his stuff out. As you can see by his corner, he's got all his tools and that. He also put my benches together and kind of just chucked my stuff on there, so I still need to sort all that out. And also clear out this space, because tomorrow or Tuesday, my girlfriend's going to be bringing her car in, so you'll get to see that soon. But I've got to move all the rest of the stuff and get it all cleared out the way, so let's get on with that. Alright, so it's the end of the night. I've got to wait for Lottie to get back in the UK so I can go pick her up. I think she lands like 11:30, so I've got a couple more hours to wait. But we're getting there. We're still not completely sorted, but I've managed to sort out most of my stuff. I still actually need to go out and organise it, but I've also put it all over there. I've cleared the space for Lottie for when she wants to bring her car in. That means all the other stuff has been put aside. Managed to finally get the racking up, move some of these stuff over here. The new sofa, chill area, soon to be chill area. But yeah, so we've still got a few more bits to sort out, get Lottie in, put parts up on the wall, and just get settled in. But to be fair, most of the way there, just hopefully a few more nights doing this, and then yeah, we'll be all sorted in a bit. Okay, so we've managed to get Lottie's car in, as you saw earlier, and I've also brought my old MX-5 down. Basically the plan with this is going to be stripped for parts, internals of that are going to go into Jack's car, and yeah, but because I've now brought that down, that's basically going to go here, but I need to sort all this stuff out so I can then move the car into place so I can start stripping it down. So let's quickly try and do that. I say quickly, probably won't be quick, but it'll be quicker for you guys. See you in a bit. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for this video. We've got the MX-5 in, and we've got the other 3 cars in as well. So we've got the new member, Lottie, mine, obviously Jack's still in a pile inside, but we're pretty much going to be gutting this out, putting that in Jack's one, and hopefully seeing it run soon. But yeah, I think it's going to be it for the video. We've got loads of things sort of planned for the unit. I'm planning on building a paint booth, a foldable one, go over there. Refresh the 13, so get all the underside, make sure it's like pretty much rust free, and of course obviously stripping this as well and putting that into Jack's car. So we've got a lot planned for the unit. We're still sort of sorting out everything, organising all our stuff, but there's not really anything more exciting to show you. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna end the video there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.